I can't see anything.
इतना सारा मत हो गया
Blush.
2, 3
Hi guys, my name is Joyce. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be shooting a makeup challenge with my cousin sister Rochelle.
Let's go.
So let's get started. Okay, Rochelle. मुझे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा.
तो नहीं
I
दिखना
can't see
चाहिए.
anything.
Let's go. So I have zero knowledge about what is what.
Okay, so Rochelle has already moisturized her face. I'm gonna start with the primer first.
Left hand से क्यों लगा है? रुक जा. She's sweating, guys.
I can't see anything.
इतना सारा मत. अरे वो पे तो ब्लेंड इट प्रॉपर्ली. जॉयसी
हाँ.
सी लो फाउंडेशन
ब्रश तो दे दे.
निको नहीं पता भाई. Is it the pink one? No, no.
अरे यार.
दिख नहीं रहा है कुछ. 3 मिनट
बता.
या I wanna
हो
sleep.
गया?
Mama, Joyce.
यार I can't wait to see. मैं कैसे कर रही हूँ?
Oh, gee, hold this. Yes. Mama.
I'm gonna use this palette for eyeshadow.
ये देख.
मैं लूँगी.
No, 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 no.
I think it's a darker shade. Show me.
Guys, I need virtual hugs and kisses right now. Oh. अरे नहीं, वो एक ही आँख है, दूसरी आँख है. अरे नहीं यहाँ.
हो गया?
आईब्रो में मत लगाना.
लग गया?
आईब्रो पे लगा रही तू. More. That's. एक नंबर ब्रो. हो गया.
Blush.
Like I cannot wait for me to do this.
ठीक है? हो गया?
Oh my god. Aku udah na.
Oh no, it's so
Mama.
difficult.
That's good. Okay. Now there is gonna be a twist. So there are like few lipsticks right here in my hand, and I am gonna show it to her, and whichever she picks, she's gonna put that lipstick for me. Let's go. Okay, it's a good shade, but let's see how she applies it for me.
Here.
I feel like
So-
she's doing Halloween makeup. Same.
Done?
Yeah. Guys, she's put it on my braces. Like, look at the bracket. Yeah. Okay.
What is left? Are we done?
Yes.
Should I open my eyes?
1, 2, 3.
Oh shit.
Hey, how that?
Oh, यहाँ पे भी लगी हुई है मेरी फिंगर.
Guys, please comment. How do I look? Okay, I loved it. I absolutely loved it.
So with this we come to the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.